Read.
This is my dog. My dog is me.
Turn the page.
I love my mom. My mom loves me.
Turn the page.
This is my dad. My dad is little.
Turn the page. Everybody point.
I love my dad. My dad loves me.
Turn the page. Tom, turn the page. 1, 2, 3.
This is my dog. My dog.
No, read that again. 1, 2, 3.
This is my dog.
I
love my dog.
Okay, Tom, you're going to read the whole book alone. Open the book. Read from the beginning. Tom, look here. Start. 1, 2, 3.
This is my mom. My mom is big.
Good boy. Next page. Go.
This is my dad. My dad is little.
Good. You skipped one page right here. No.
Love
Love.
my mom. My mom. I love
Love. Not b. V. V. Loves.
me.
Okay. Next page. I. No. This is okay. I. You read this one already. Come on. I love
my dad. My dad loves
Ma. Me. Okay, turn the page. Last page, quickly. This.
This is my dog. I love my dog.
Okay. Now, everybody close your books, please.
I close my book.
Stand up. Now I want you to give your books to Miss Sahar. Line up. What?
I give my book to Mr. Hart.
Thank you.
You're welcome. I give my book to Mr. Hart.
Thank you.
You're welcome. I give my book to Queen and Dad.
Thank you.
You're welcome. I give my book to Miss Princess.
Thank you. Hey, Rosie, thank you.
I give my book to Mr. Princess.
Thank you.
I give my book to Mr. Hart.
Thank you. Thank you.
Now break time.
Break
I
time.
give my book to Mr. Hart.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
I give my book to Mr. Hart.
Thank you. Hey, Kate Bear. What time is it?
It's break.
Okay.